Good morning, my name is Joana Camacho. First of all, I am 30 years old. I was born in Bogota. Now I am a student in environmental engineering program UNAD. I am work operation coordinator in company of voice tech Zoe. I like listening to music. I like traveling, training karate, ride a bike, and walk in the mountain. I live with my mother and my sister. I am single. I don't have children. My trek experience in the Amazon. In February of 2010, I was to trip of Amazon. I stayed 1 weekend. I had the best experience of my life. I stayed in Leticia. Leticia is a little town that is between in the jungle. There is biodiversity and had an anaconda in my hand and was the best experience and was amazing. I navigated for the river Amazon and I saw the pink dolphins. The weather in Leticia. The weather in Leticia is humid. It's very warm. Generally, rain and flowers in day in season always. The recommendations. Let's start. Recommendation are used very much sunblock. Wear white clothes with a sleeve shirt. Finally, book spray. People show. You should know native culture, the Amazon that lives in the limit of the river. You should to Tabatinga, Brazil, in the carnival. Is beautiful. You should visit to Puerto Nariño, the natural manage of Colombia. You should go to make ecotourism. There is biodiversity. You should swim in the limit of the river. You should go to lookout in Puerto Nariño. You should go by the way. You shouldn't buy the animals because it's prohibited. You should swim with one in the Amazon River because there are piranhas. You shouldn't throw waste in the Amazon River or the jungle. You shouldn't let swim in the middle of the Amazon because it's very dangerous. You shouldn't contaminate the river with chemicals or other liquids. You shouldn't cut the jungle and kill the wild animals. Thanks for your attention. Goodbye.